Hi, it's Phil from Inclusive Music, and in this video we'll take you through the onboarding process for BandLab For Education. It will show you how to register as a teacher, create a school, create your first class and invite your students. Please note that BandLab For Education will only work using the Chrome browser. Let's get started. Type in edu.bandlab.com. Click Start as a Teacher. Type in your name, email address and password. Now click Sign Up. You can add a photo and change your username later if you wish. For now, click Continue. You can add your school's name, address and phone number, or skip this step. Congratulations, you've successfully registered as a teacher. You now have three options: join class, create school, or get me started. Click on Join Class. Here you can see the option to input a 7-digit code. If you, as a teacher, were invited to join another class, the teacher would send you a code, and by typing it in here, you'd automatically be enrolled in that class. This is how two classes might start working on a musical collaboration. This could be a year 5 and 6 working together in the same school, or two classes from opposite sides of the globe. If you wish, you can join my class, BandLab for Teachers, and by so doing, you will have access to some example assignments and lessons that I have created to get you started. These include The Glorious Victorians, an original song about Isambard Kingdom Brunel for primary, songwriting assignments for primary and secondary, a BandLab For Education demo song demonstrating the culmination of the structured songwriting project for primary and secondary, exploring and finding suitable effects for vocals, this is for secondary, and there are more assignments being added all the time. To join, simply input this code: 2AAH4CG. You will also have the opportunity to chat with other teachers from around the world and discover how they are using BandLab For Education in their classroom. If the class is full, contact me by email, phil@inclusivemusic.com, and I'll create another class. If you click on Get Me Started, you'll find the help desk where you can find useful articles and information, as well as reaching out to BandLab for help with a specific problem. Good luck, and I'll see you on the inside. Calling all teachers. If you need a little extra help to get you and your students started with BandLab, head over to the Inclusive Music Academy by clicking on the card above. Here you can get access to my complete step-by-step BandLab For Education Songwriting course. While you're getting hours of high-quality continued professional development in the classroom, your students are learning the way they love to, by doing, by creating their own original music in the genre and style that they love. You will be amazed by the transformation in your music lessons and astonished by the motivation and excitement of your students. And if you're one of the first 50 teachers to purchase, you can get the course at half price. Don't miss this great opportunity. Click the link in the information below and start changing the way you teach and the way your students learn.